99% of used BMW buyers are making the same expensive mistake. They're choosing models with catastrophic engine failures instead of the 5 bulletproof legends. These aren't just reliable cars. They're mechanical masterpieces that routinely exceed 300,000 miles. In this video, we will talk about 5 used BMW models that represent the absolute pinnacle of German engineering reliability. Each model description covers 300 words explaining why these specific engines and chassis combinations have earned legendary status among technicians, while other models from the same era will destroy your bank account. Number 5. The E9328i, the N52 Resilience Champion. The E9328i, produced for the 2007 to 2013 model years, stands as the premier entry point for used BMW buyers who require a modern daily driver with manageable operating costs. This sedan is frequently recommended because it avoids the catastrophic failures that plague its turbocharged siblings while delivering the refined driving experience that defines the brand. The N52 engine represents BMW's final naturally aspirated inline-six, utilizing revolutionary magnesium-aluminum composite construction that reduced weight while maintaining structural rigidity. Unlike the turbocharged N54 found in the 335i, an engine plagued by failing fuel injectors, high-pressure fuel pumps, and wastegate rattle, the N52 avoids high-stress heat cycles entirely. This lack of turbocharging significantly reduces internal engine stress and cooling system complexity, resulting in power plants that regularly achieve 200,000 to 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The naturally aspirated design eliminates the expensive failure points that make turbocharged models financial disasters. The E9328i represents gold standard reliability because its common failure points are predictable and manageable. Owners should monitor for oil leaks from the valve cover gasket, oil filter housing gasket, and oil pan gasket, all rubber seals that harden over time due to heat exposure. A unique failure mode for the N52 is the electric water pump, which differs from belt-driven pumps of previous generations. While more efficient and allowing self-bleeding of the coolant system, it typically requires replacement every 100,000 to 130,000 miles to avoid being stranded. Critical for used buyers is understanding transmission sourcing. The 6-speed manual transmission is the most reliable option, but automatic variants were sourced from 2 manufacturers. The ZF6 HP transmission is generally more refined and robust, while GM-sourced units have reported laggy responses and earlier failure rates. For North American, the GM6 L45 automatic is the most common unit. The 2009 model year introduced the LCI facelift, upgrading interior technology from the first-generation CI drive system to the much faster CIC system. This technological leap makes 2009 to 2011 models the preferred choice for buyers seeking reliability with modern convenience. Number 4. The F3340i, the B58 Revolution. The F3340i, introduced in the 2016 model year, marked a turning point in BMW's turbocharged history and represents one of the most significant engineering achievements in modern automotive development. For several years prior, the brand struggled with reliability issues in first-generation turbo engines, particularly the N54 and early N20 units. The B58 engine was designed as part of a modular family, sharing components with B48 4-cylinder and B38 3-cylinder engines. However, the 3-liter straight-six variant achieved legendary status for its durability and tuning potential, proving that forced induction could be reliable when properly engineered. The F3340i earns gold status because it fixed the primary mechanical weaknesses of the 335i it replaced. The B58 features closed deck block design, where the top of the cylinder block is mostly solid with small passages for coolant, as opposed to the open deck design of the N55. This closed deck architecture is significantly stronger and can withstand much higher cylinder pressures, allowing the B58 to be used reliably in high-performance applications like the Toyota Supra. The fact that Toyota's engineers validated this engine for their flagship sports car speaks volumes about its fundamental robustness. With xDrive all-wheel drive, the 340i reaches 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.8 to 5.1 seconds, faster than many current BMW models that cost significantly more money. The modification potential is exceptional. A simple Stage 1 ECU tune increases output to approximately 380 to 430 horsepower. The F3340i also benefited from the mature life cycle of the F30 platform. By late 2015, BMW had refined electrical systems and interior materials that were criticized in early 2012 to 2013 models. However, the electric steering rack lacks the hydraulic feel of predecessors. From a maintenance perspective, the B58 is highly reliable, but has specific concerns. Early reports of coolant loss were traced to failing expansion tank caps or small leaks in the air-to-liquid intercooler system. The rear-mounted timing chain makes potential repairs labor-intensive, though failures are rare in stock applications. Number 3. The G3540i, Executive Excellence Redefined. For buyers who find the 3 Series too compact or unrefined for daily requirements, the G35 series represents a monumental achievement in mid-size luxury reliability. The G3540i, powered by the same B58 engine found in the 340i, is widely considered the superior executive sedan choice compared to Mercedes-Benz E-Class or Audi A6 equivalents. The gold status of the G3540i derives from exceptional build quality and the CLAR platform, which utilizes a mixture of various grades of steel and aluminum to reduce weight while increasing rigidity. This advanced architecture provides a significant upgrade in cabin insulation and material quality, with many noting it approaches 7 Series levels of refinement. The B58 engine in the 540i produces 335 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, allowing 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 4.8 seconds with xDrive. This performance level was previously reserved for dedicated sports sedans, demonstrating how modern engineering creates luxury vehicles with supercar acceleration. The G3540i is particularly prized on the used market because many were originally corporate leases, meaning comprehensive service records and dealer network maintenance. However, buyers must understand the 2021 LCI update, which introduced a 48-volt mild hybrid system to the 540i. While the mild hybrid system improves efficiency and smoothness of auto start-stop function, it introduces a separate 48-volt battery and integrated starter generator. This adds long-term complexity that reliability-focused buyers may wish to avoid, making pre-LCI models more desirable. The 2021 Plus models feature full iDrive 7.0, whereas 2020 models utilize a light version lacking over-the-air software updates. This creates a decision point between advanced technology and mechanical simplicity. Mechanical failures on the G3540i are remarkably infrequent. The most common reports involve active grille shutters that can fail and trigger check engine lights, and occasional oil seepage from the oil filter housing gasket. These are minor issues compared to the catastrophic failures of V8-powered M550i models. For long-term owners, the 540i represents trustworthy luxury that avoids the money pit reputation of the N63 engine family used in M550i models, units notorious for high oil consumption and turbocharger-related heat damage. Number 2. The G20 M340i, the modern pinnacle. The G20 M340i represents the absolute pinnacle of BMW's modern lineup and arguably the most significant achievement in recent automotive engineering. Following the F30 generation, which was criticized for soft driving dynamics, the G23 series was engineered to reclaim its status as the benchmark sports sedan. The M340i variant represents the ultimate expression of this effort, utilizing a high-output version of the B58 engine producing 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This power level rivals previous generation M3 models while maintaining the civility and fuel economy of a standard luxury sedan. The G20 M340i earns gold status because it offers performance that eliminates the need for separate daily driver and weekend track vehicles. The B58 in this application features a single-part timing chain and updated high-pressure fuel system, supporting 350 bar pressure, leading to more efficient combustion and better throttle response. For enthusiast buyers, the 2020 model year M340i is specifically prized. It was the only year sold without the 48-volt mild hybrid system, resulting in a more aggressive factory exhaust tune with audible burbles and cracks, an overrun that were programmed out of 2021 plus models. Furthermore, models built before June 2020 have engine control units that are easily flashable for additional power, whereas later cars require expensive DME unlock procedures. This makes early 2020 models particularly valuable for modification enthusiasts. The reliability of the G20 M340i is supported by BMW's significant improvement in manufacturing processes, which saw the 3 Series jump to the top of dependability charts shortly after release. Common issues are nearly non-existent for the first 60,000 miles. The most frequent complaint involves run-flat tires, which provide harsh ride quality and are prone to bubbling when driven over significant potholes. For used buyers, the M340i with documented service history represents one of the safest performance car purchases available today. Stage 2, tuning with ethanol blends and upgraded downpipes easily reaches 450 to 500 wheel horsepower, allowing the 4-door sedan to compete with exotic supercars in straight-line acceleration while maintaining daily usability and reliability. Number 1. The E46 330i, the timeless legend. The E46 330i, produced between 1997 and 2006, is frequently cited by automotive historians and engineers as the high watermark for compact executive sports sedans. Within this generation, the 330i stands as the most desirable non-M variant, primarily due to the inclusion of the legendary M54B30 engine. The M54B30 is widely regarded as one of the most reliable and versatile straight-six units ever engineered by BMW, balancing performance with simplicity that is largely absent in modern sensor-heavy drivetrains. This 2,979 cubic centimeter displacement engine produces 225 to 235 horsepower depending on trim level and market. The M54B30's design prioritizes durability through forged crankshaft and robust internals documented to exceed 300,000 miles when maintained properly. Unlike successors, the M54 avoids pitfalls of high-pressure fuel pumps and direct injection, which cause carbon buildup and expensive walnut blasting procedures in later models. The reliability is enhanced by mechanical steering and relatively simple electrical architecture compared to iDrive-equipped models that followed. However, gold status is predicated on addressing several well-known maintenance requirements proactively. The most significant concern is the cooling system, which utilizes plastic components that become brittle with age. A preventative overhaul involving water pump, expansion tank, and radiator is typically required every 80,000 to 100,000 miles to avoid catastrophic overheating. The double Vanos variable valve timing system often requires new seals to maintain optimal low-end torque and idle stability. This repair is well documented within the enthusiast community and represents predictable maintenance rather than unexpected failure. A unique variant, the 330i-ZHP, was offered in North America between 2003 to 2006. This version included a modified M54B30 with different camshafts and revised engine management, resulting in 10 additional horsepower and higher redline. The ZHP also featured 6-speed manual transmission, shorter final drive ratio, and reinforced suspension, making it a highly sought-after investment piece that currently appreciates in value while offering reliability that surpasses contemporary high-performance models. The E46 330i represents the perfect synthesis of analog driving engagement with modern reliability, creating vehicles that reward ownership through decades of dependable service and appreciating collector value. These 5 BMW models demonstrate the brand's engineering philosophy when reliability takes precedence over complexity. The legendary M54 and modern B58 engines prove that proper development creates power plants that reward rather than punish ownership. Understanding this hierarchy helps buyers choose vehicles that provide decades of driving pleasure rather than expensive repair bills and roadside breakdowns. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.